G'day and welcome to my first video in the Back to the Basics series. My goal with these videos is to show you that some of these what you may think are complicated blocks are not so complicated. Let's go ahead and see what I have in store for you this time. What you do with these blocks is totally up to you, but I thought it'd be neat to have a theme for this, which is going to be retro. And for this block, I'm going to do a TV set. I'm going to turn these beautiful fabrics into this beautiful TV set. So stay with me, see how it all comes together, and I can promise you it's a lot easier than you might think. So I have my fabric all laid out. These two little pieces will be for the bottom of the TV set. This will be the side of the TV set along with the test pattern on the screen. This will be the top and the bottom of the TV set. These will be for underneath and around the frame of the TV. And then these blocks, these pieces here will be all for the antenna. That's going to be the most complicated part, but even that's going to go together really simply. So now we're ready to sew. So let's get our sewing machine and get into it. First part is doing the test pattern on the screen along with the outside frame. So we're going to start off with our outside pieces and then sew all these together with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Start with fabric A on the left to fabric B, then go to C, D, E, and F, and so forth. And after sewing those all together, you should have pieces A through H all together. It looks like a nice little test screen. Next up, we're going to grab our two J pieces and put it on the top and also here on the bottom as well. So let's sew those on. Sewn on the bottom, and now we'll go ahead and put the other piece on the top just like we did at the bottom, sew it across. So we're making some really good progress. We've got basically the exterior of the TV all put together. Next step we're going to do is put the legs underneath it here. So grab your two pieces of fabric labeled I, which are these 1.5 by 1.5, along with piece K. And what we're going to do is put the two smaller pieces on either end, like so, and this will go underneath what we've already made. Now we have our piece KIK all together, and we're going to put it underneath the TV set we've already made, so now it has little legs. Let's take a look at what we've done so far, and I think this has turned out pretty darn cute. We've got the test screen, we've got the legs, the outside of the box, so all we have to do now is put the antennas on top and the outside. So let's go ahead and do that. The antenna is probably the part that terrifies the most of you, but it's a lot easier than you think it's going to be. So we'll grab our two pieces of G fabric and our 4 pieces of N, and we'll show you how to put it all together. Lay down your 2 pieces of G fabric. I have mine as grey, but you can make it whatever color you want. And then put 1 piece of the N fabric up in the top left-hand corner on the left side. And on the right side, put it in the top right-hand corner. And then we're going to cut it with our stitch and flip ruler, or whichever ruler you have. So the angle here is corner to corner. We got to cut a 1/4 inch away from it. Same deal on this one right here. The 2 pieces should look now like this. Next we'll lay our last 2 pieces of N fabric in the opposite corners to where we did before and rinse and repeat. And this is how you make your antennas. It is a whole lot easier than you thought it was going to be, right? Let me know in the comments. Let's go ahead and cut this. Easier for me. And we'll just sew 1/4 inch seam just like we did last time. pieces should now look like this. If they're a little uneven and not quite right, like one's thinner on one end or anything else like that, don't worry about it too much. You'll never notice it at the end. And who knows, remember, back in those days when we had TV antennas, weren't they always crooked or banged up or something like that anyway? Or was it just my TV? Anyway, so what we'll do here is we'll end up putting these together. But before we do that, let's go ahead and put piece number O on either side, like so. And then we'll go from there. Have pieces just like this, and the last step for the antenna is just to put these two together, like so. And we'll sew these together. Our antennas are all together. I think these turned out really nice, and the next step is to attach it to the top of our TV. I think this is starting to look really good. Let me know what you think so far. And here's our TV set so far, and all we have to do left is put the two L pieces on the side and the M on top to frame it, and we are all done. So let's go ahead and get that done. So go ahead and do the top piece first, which is piece M, and then you'll do the two side pieces, which is side pieces L. So flip it like that, and so 1/4 inch as you have done before. So the top piece is on, and now we're going to start attaching the left and the right. And our TV set is now all done. It didn't take as long as we thought, right? How long did it take? Maybe 20-30 minutes. I think putting something together like this in that amount of time is amazing. So let me know what you think of this block. And I'd love to see pictures if you decide to make this block. I hope you do. I really encourage you to give it a try. Those antennas are a lot easier than you thought, right? So yeah, but if you do check them out and you do make the pattern, please post pictures. Tag me on Instagram, tag me on Facebook, tag me on the guy who sews, wherever you are, because I'm pretty much everywhere. So thank you for joining me. And before I go, I just want to let you know a little bit more about the collab. This is something I'm doing with Donna from Handmade by Ying, so Becca, Tasha Quilt, and so many other wonderful people. Next week, come back over to Brenda from Conquering Mount Scrapmore of Brenda. She has a wonderful video in store for us. I don't know what it is, so I'm just as in the dark and excited to see what it is as well. So go check out her channel. She has so much fun stuff to do with her scraps. I hope you all have a great day. Happy sewing. Let me know what you forward. And try and guess what the next block's going to be. It's all part of the retro free. I hope you all have a great day. Happy sewing, and we'll see you next time. Bye.